Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mira. Happy birthday to you. Adik tak bagi pasal lilin. Nak lilin tak? Boleh je. Jom lilin lilin.
Cantik.
Apa mai tu? Nyanyi lah birthday to you kakak. Birthday to you kakak nyanyi.